Welcome to Project Automation and Control using Power BI. My name is James Okire, a project control engineer with more than 8 years experience in the oil and gas industry. In this program, we are going to review the P6 data and the layout used. We are also going to export our P6 data from P6 to Excel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll be able to receive notification whenever a new video is uploaded. Enjoy Power BI Project Automation. Let me call up my P6. Okay, this is my P6. I'm going to use this project, and this project is a building project. Okay, so this is the project. If I click here, I have 5 WBSs from general, engineering, procurement, construction, and demobilization. One thing you need to note is the total duration for this project, which is the original duration, is 286 days. Also note the planned start date of this project, which is 1st of January 2024, and the planned finish date, which is the baseline finish date of this project, which is 28th of November 2024. I have also developed a layout. Okay, I just saved it. I bring out all the whole columns here. You see the columns I'm using. So please, on your own, do the same. Get all the columns here. Start from WBS, WBS name, resource ID, activity name, activity ID, original duration, activity status. These two columns, which is the area and the BOQ, they are activity codes. Okay, so you also have your baseline start, baseline finish, actual start, actual finish, remaining early start, remaining early finish. If you scroll further, you will see under, you see operated labor unit, and you see the actual. You also see activity percent completion complete, and you also see performance percent complete, schedule percent complete. You see the project total cost for the cost of the project and actual cost. You have the end value cost, and you also have the plan value cost. You also have the end value labor cost and the plan value labor cost. Okay, so if you open this project further, let me expand all. So if you open it further, you will see the activity breakdown. Okay, so all you need to do is to save it as a template. Here you can see the layout. I save this layout as a template here, and it's very simple after creating your layout. Okay, so on the process, when you are trying to open it, you just say, if you click here, you just say save as. So you give it a name here, right, and you click OK, save. That's all. So at the end, whenever you open, you want the layout, you just click on the layout, all the information will come out. Okay, let's proceed with the exporting. Okay, in exporting files from P6 to Power BI, you can use 3 methods. One, you can use direct connection. You can connect your P6 directly to Power BI, right? And each time you refresh in Power BI and there are any activity that is added in P6, it will automatically be displayed in Power BI. Okay, we also have another method called you export the data from Power BI to Excel. Then you now link your Power BI to Excel, or you import it from Excel to Power BI. That's one of the simplest methods, and we are going to start with that. Before we round up this course, we are going to show you how to link it directly. The last one is the using of the CSVS file. Okay, so we'll also look at that one as well, but it's not commonly used. Okay, so let's proceed. To export, first thing you need to do is click on File, click on Export, click on Excel, click on Next, click on Activity. For now, that's what we need. Click on Next, click on the Export checkbox, click on Next, click on. For here, I've developed a template. You also need to do same. Let me show you what you will bring out while you are trying to create your own template. So these are the items you are going to bring out. It's the same thing with what we have here. So you can arrange it, right? the way you want. Okay, this is just how I display them. Everything are the same, right? Starting from your activity code, WBS number, WBS code, ranging to your activity name, baseline start and finish, earlier start and finish, project cost, M value, and plan value. So all of them are the same thing with what we have here. Okay, so I just click on OK. So bring all these things out from your own, and you click on OK. Then I click on next. Then I click on next. Next, and I say finish. So automatically this file will be saved. For me, I've directed it to my desktop, so it's going to my desktop. So if I click on close this and I minimize, I will go straight to my desktop and I will see the file. Let's double click on it and look at. So look at what you will see. Okay, so don't be scared of this information, right? Over time you get used to it and you understand it. First of all, you see the first column, the first row here as highlighted is the name used to represent Power BI item in the database. Okay, the second one is the name used to represent Power BI columns, P6 columns in P6, the one we are seeing. Okay, so here if you look at your activity ID in the database, is being saved as activity code and task code. If you look at your activity status, is being saved here as status code. If you look at WBS ID, it's being saved as WBS code. This is what you'll be seeing. So you see, look at activity name is task name in the database. So but let them not confuse you. We'll go around this and we'll work all of them out. Over time you'll also be used to it. For the file used for this particular project, you will also find it in the comment section. Click on the link and download it. Feel free to send your questions. Also, any area you want us to touch or do some videos on, feel free to state it. Your comment is highly appreciated. Thank you and enjoy project automation.